The Richat structure, also known as the Eye of the Sahara or Blue Eye of Africa. It is nearly 50 kilometers across and very visible from space. Initially interpreted as an asteroid impact structure because of its high degree of circularity, and then as a structure formed by a volcanic eruption that also seems improbable because of the lack of a dome of igneous or volcanic rock, it is now argued to be a highly symmetrical and deeply eroded geologic dome that collapsed. So it is now thought by many to have been caused by uplifted rocks sculpted by erosion. But the fact that the rings are equidistant to the center and that the Richat structure is nearly circular remains a mystery. And new questions arise. Some people are amazed by the resemblance of this structure with the representation we have of Atlantis by Plato. According to Plato, the island was circular, divided into concentric circles of land and water. There were 2 of land and 3 of water. Atlantis, when sunk by the earthquake, became an impossible barrier of mud to voyagers sailing from hence to any part of the ocean. And he spoke about a mount sheltering the city by north and encompassing a great plain of an oblong shape in the south, etc. Atlantis in Greek means Atlantis, Nessos, the island of Atlas. And we get near the geologic eye at the north, the Mount Atlas. According to Plato, Atlantis was lying in front of the Pillars of Hercule. I think the first thing to do is to investigate is the depressed corridor accessing to the eye from west. It is a possible ancient canal or delta and the only access to the Atlantic Ocean. It is much more easy to get results there because the eye suffered a lot of collapsing and geologic changes that is making discoveries difficult. We know also that 40,000 years ago it existed huge lakes in Sahara. We know that Sahara was still with some humidity 6500 BC. Sahara Desert covering 10 countries of Africa with 9,400,000 square kilometers was 100 millions of years ago all covered by sea. So in any case I think that this is a research that deserves a lot of attention.